Samurai Chris.
Last time I did it kind of like this.
Hiya. And Samurai Chris has been out of practice this pumpkin season.
Try that again.
Strike one.
Strike one. So it looks like I was just a bit too angled upward.
Yeah.
Did I get you?
Showed that pumpkin who's boss.
Did I get you?
You did not.
Good. How am I going to cut this pumpkin again? How am I going to cut it vertically? You know, like how am I going to hold it? You know? Well, I'll show you. Well, there we go. Look at that. Wedged between two trees. What do you think, Jethro? What do you think? Yeah. Let's try that out. I got through the first one.
Hit it again.
Hit it again.
You looking at my gut?
No.
Yes, you were.
Well, I just took a little peek.
I saw you.
So
What are you looking at my gut for?
Oh,
And one might ask, why do this? The answer would be, why not?